If you've ever felt that you're like always one step behind the market, this changes everything. I'm always working hard to bring you the best trading strategies. And this, ladies and gentlemen, it's what I call the money printer. I have been using quietly this new strategy that I developed with this new indicator. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what trades it caught, and why this might just be the most accurate indicator I've ever built. So let's be real, most indicators, they are laggy, they're behind the price, or they throw signals in every direction, or worse, they are repainting your entry signals, okay? You try a new strategy, you lose, you tweak the settings, you still lose. I've been there, burned accounts, second guessing, everything, until I stopped chasing strategies and I've built my own strategies. Literally, it's printing money every day, okay? Now, what's the formula? I'm gonna explain everything, how it's built, and it's been built off hundreds of backtests, scalping logic, and real-time precision, and the results are absolutely insane. I want you to take a look at this account, okay? It was created specifically to trade this beautiful strategy, and so far it's been having amazing results, 36.75% profit, and this was just in 1 or 2 days of work, okay guys? Now, this is absolutely perfect for scalpers, day traders, intraday traders, or even swing traders, okay? Because it works in every time frame, every session, and you can apply it in any instrument you want, okay? As we all know, market has been rough, okay? I know that, and that's why I have been working very hard to bring you this amazing strategy that I have built specifically so that everybody can literally print their own money. Also, we've been having a lot of global events, okay, which causes that indices, if you're a futures trader, if you're trading indices or Forex, like all of these global events, it's causing the market to become confusing and choppy and very erratic, very tough to trade, okay, guys? So lately, I have been trading gold, okay? I love using my new Money Printer 2.0 trading gold in the 1 minute chart. Okay, as you can see, these are the results of just one single day. It's giving me amazing results every time. And now imagine what you can do if you're funded, if you're trying to get funded, and if you want to grow your account. This is absolutely perfect. Now, we all know that gold is a safe haven. Okay, so whenever there's a lot of conflict, gold is going to have a lot of volume, okay? And usually gold is going to push up, okay? So that's exactly what we've been seeing lately. So what's the magic behind the Money Printer 2.0? Well, it combines price action zones, real-time momentum tracking, and volatility filters, okay? It just doesn't tell you when to enter, but it tells you when to walk away from trash setups. There's a series of rules, okay, that you're going to apply so that you can take the best profitable setups. You're just gonna wait so that we can get the best signals. And the only thing you have to do is just wait and enter your trade. So first of all, guys, this was just in a matter of 1 day of trading, okay? Just 1 day of work. And look how many possible trades it has given me. It's absolutely insane. I'm telling you guys, this is beautiful and it's very easy to use, okay? So first of all, we had this setup right here. As you can see, price was trending, okay, since the market opened at the Asian session. Now, I repeat, you can use this in any session, but I recommend you sticking to one session and maybe taking 1 or 2 trades per day. Guys, so the first of all, this trade was given during the market open at the beginning of the session, which was during Asian session, early Asian session, okay, and it gave you 53 points, okay. Now, here we created this sort of a resistance level, very simple, very easy, and we got our second entry, which gave us 60 points. It was absolutely fantastic. And after that, as you can see, guys, price created this support and it gave us another entry and for around 40 points. Now, here we created this new high, okay, we had this little reaction from this FTR, okay, and as you can see, it was sort of like a break retest, and we got another signal. We had this beautiful range and we got 25 points. Then again, retested in the same level and we had another 25 points that you could have got. Now, after that, it created this sort of like a fake out. We had this double top, as they call it, equal highs, and then price created this new low and we had another entry for another 36 points. Okay, so as you can see, this is absolutely fantastic. This was during the Asian session. You can trade it anytime. Okay, it's giving me signals all the time. And also I have created the specific rules so that you can filter out which trades to take and which trades you have to pass. Okay, now if you want to get access to this, make sure to check the link below. Okay, so you can get your own Money Printer 2.0, and also includes private coaching in case you need some guidance, and also includes a private Q&A session with me. Okay, so that I can explain to you the rules. Now let's continue. Okay, in here, as you can see, price made this new liquidity grab from these lows, and as you can see, guys, if we extend this level right here, price reacted to it. Okay, and it started to push up, and now we got another entry signal. Okay, as you can see, this is something very, very important that I want to mark out, is that it does not repaint. Okay, that's absolutely fantastic because most indicators are laggy and repaint. Okay, this one, it doesn't repaint. And also the beautiful thing is that you are using it aligned with price action and market structure. So this indicator is giving you extra confluence. Okay, and it's giving you and it's telling you when to take your trade. This was a very huge trade and it gave you 70 points. Now here, if we extend this same level to the left, as you can see, guys, we created some sort of like a support and it gave us another entry. Now you might be wondering, the yellow boxes represent when you have to take a buy position. Okay, and the orange one represents when you have to take a sell position. But as you can see, we're not taking every signal. Why? Because we have rules. Okay, that's the rules. I'm not gonna go over through this video. Okay, like I will explain that inside the members area. Okay, when you grab your own Money Printer 2.0. Okay, guys. So in this case, okay, we got 22 points quick in and out. Same thing here. 47 points from the same support level. Okay, now here, okay, this is moments after that during London session. So I am showing you so that you can see that you can trade literally at any time of the day in any session, and you're gonna get at least 1 or 2 trades, guys. So focus on taking 1 or 2 trades a day and it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Now in here we can see that price is creating a beautiful structure, bullish structure. We have this high, this higher low, then this new higher high, higher low, and so on. So as you can see, we have a very, very beautiful and powerful bullish structure. Okay, so here was our first entry, 35 points, creating this new high. Okay, and as you can see, we had this support level, so it was kind of like a break retest, and it gave us another beautiful entry right here, and it pushed for 15 more points, which is absolutely insane. Now in here, same thing, we had this level like a break retest, and then we had 180 point move. It was absolutely huge, guys. Imagine taking this in your funded account, growing your small account, anything. You can use it however you like. Now in here, we were right at the top. We had another opportunity right at the top. It created sort of like a base from support, and it gave you a 45 pip push. That was again beautiful. Now this was the new high of the day. As you can see, we had this high. It created this kind of like a fake up liquidity grab and created this new low, as you can see, and we had these equal highs created. Price created this sort of like a resistance level. Okay, it was like a zone, and we had a beautiful signal, and it gave us a 65 point push. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. You can literally print money every day. That's why I called it the money printer. Remember that series, Money Heist? They are printing their own money. Well, this is very similar to that. Okay, listen, I built these to solve my own trading problems, and now I'm sharing these who are serious about leveling up. If you're tired of guessing, tired of indicators that look good after the fact, and ready to follow something that actually works in real time, well, so this is the link, guys. This is a website. In here, you can be part of this and more strategies. So this is the full bundle. You'll get the private course. So if you want to be part of that, get your own Money Printer 2.0. Okay, you're gonna get instant access, and you're gonna be able to use and apply this strategy as quick as tomorrow. As I said, this includes personalized assistance or guidance just in case you need. You need to ask me any questions. I can just guide you and tell you exactly how to use this strategy. Now, I have many more strategies, okay? I will help you creating your trading plan, okay? Also, guys, I have the option if you don't need the private coaching and you just need the strategies and you want to get your own money printer 2.0, I also have that option, okay? The private coaching is here. Everything you need, you can check the link in the description. So now let's continue, guys. In here, it gave you another 40 points. Absolutely amazing. And now this was during the New York session, okay? We had price trying to make a new high of the day, okay? Now this song was not fresh and it gave you another signal, okay? And it pushed for 40 points, okay? And after that, it rejected this high because we had these equal highs, created this new, gave you a beautiful 40-point move, okay? But after that, it reversed because we had these equal highs and made this liquidity grab, okay? And after that, if we extend our beautiful support level or zone, okay, from the left, we're gonna see that price reacted pretty well, okay, as you can see. And after that, it pushed with full strength, okay? And as you can see, we had another signal going on. Here you can see, there you go, that's our signal, and it pushed for 110 points. Now, for this New York session, okay, it was kind of tough, but still it gave you a lot of trades, okay? It was a very choppy session after that. We were just like inside this consolidation area, and there were like really there were no good signals, okay? All of these signals are invalidated, and as I said, they're invalidated because there are some rules. They're very easy. Don't think like there's nothing complicated, guys. Extremely easy rules, okay, that's gonna filter out, okay? The only thing you have to do is just, I would say, just choose 1 hour of your day and wait to get one trade. That's it, okay, guys? So after that, okay, in the late session after London closed, okay, during New York session, almost at PM session, we had this beautiful move, okay? Same thing, we had these equal highs, beautiful fake out, and we got our signal, 82 points, okay? As you can see, our entry was around this area and our exit could have been around this point, okay? As you can see, if we extend this zone, okay, you're gonna see that price reached and filled this range. So it's very important for you to know how to draw your lines, how to draw your zones, how to draw your support and resistance levels, guys, okay? It's very simple, and also you need that kind of guidance inside the course. Like, I go through all of that, okay? So don't worry, like, this is hands down the best education you will ever have, okay? That's the only one and the last trading education program that you will ever need in your life. This is your edge. This is your advantage over the market. As you can see, it's giving you so many opportunities, so many pips every single day, or points, however you want to call it. So don't let it pass by you, okay? Grab your own money printer and start printing your own money now, and finally trade with confidence. Remember, link on the description. The first 50 buyers are gonna get a free private Q&A call with me. That's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot. See you inside.